From piles of old discarded wires to shining copper pots, this factory takes scrap and turns it into something beautiful and useful.
Through powerful forgings, landed lawlessness vision.
Copper here, aluminum there. Got it. Moving the thin ones. Good. Keep it steady. On it. Final approval for casting this copper batch into ingots. Checklist complete. Purity and temperature confirmed. Control, this is logistics.
Copper discs inbound, confirm status.
Copy. Discs arriving now. First, activate the main sequence. Activating now. Monitor the pressure. If it spikes, engage shutdown. Understood. Final checklist. Seal verification. Seal verified. Pot is clear. Quantity matches. Proceeding to transfer complete.
Look at the shine on these.
They're beautiful. Let's get one.
Perfect. Here you go.
Thanks. Toss the vegetables in. Get a good sear. Perfect. Now it deglazes. Team, we've hit a major milestone. Yes! Every pot from recycled wires.
These copper pots heat so evenly, it's perfect.
The sear is incredible. I love it. This is a game changer. The heat spreads so evenly in these,
Yes, the conductivity is incredible.
it makes all the difference.
Absolutely.
Old wires find new purpose in these beautiful copper pots, a sustainable story of turning waste into something wonderful. This prototype really pushes the boundaries of traditional copper work. The engravings are holding up perfectly under the hammer.
This copper is so beautifully made. I can feel the craftsmanship
Recycled copper? That's amazing. Such a
and
proud
high quality.